Hello, today we all are here to introduce our model FarmDroid.
This model integrates the modern sensors and technology so that it can revolutionize the traditional farming. So let me introduce my model. This is the air quality sensor so that the farmer can know about the air quality present in the air. This is a GPS sensor so that the farmer can know the exact location where the model is. This is a buzzer so that it could prevent animals from coming before it. We have also placed a temperature sensor to know the temperature and humidity present in that area. So this is a Arduino motherboard and this is a LCD screen, and so that each and every information could be shown on it. This is a pH sensor to know the pH of the soil, and this is a soil moisture sensor so that the farmer can know the soil moisture present in the soil and how much water should be irrigated to the soil. This is a solar panel with a tracker so that the model could get the energy from the sun and the tracker could automatically move towards the sun. This model is effective because firstly it is a cost effective model and it can be purchased by any farmer. Secondly, it uses green energy, and thirdly, it suggests the biofertilizers, and that is also a very big problem nowadays. So now the question comes that how will the farmers know the reading of the sensors? So I have made a website known as Kisan Mitra so that the farmers can know the air quality index, the pH of the soil and the soil moisture and many more about the crop.
So lastly, our model is very useful for the modern farming in India. Thank you.